Super Duper Crimes. Hello friends and welcome back to the Super Duper Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color something super fun. A cute cartoon style strawberry. Let's start drawing. First draw a simple heart-like shape for the strawberry body. Now it's time to draw the leafy crown. Draw a curved line at the top of the body for the leaves. Let's add a face to the strawberry. Draw two cute eyes and a happy face. Next, draw little triangles with rounded corners to make seeds on the strawberry. It looks like the strawberry is sweating. Let's add smiley face. Yay! You did it! Yay! Yay! Now I'm using a black marker to make this awesome drawing more attractive. Finally, it's time to color. Let's start coloring. Use red for the body of the strawberry. Green for the leaves. Brown for the stem. And light blue for the eyes. Wow, amazing! It looks nice and red. Yummy! I love strawberries. If you had a happy drawing today, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hello kids! Here is another drawing. A cute flower with rainbow colors. Let's draw and paint together. First draw a circle for the flower center. Then draw a curved line to create the petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This flower has 10 petals, a smiley face, and small oval for blush. Let's add two cute eyes. And there it is, a beautiful cartoon flower. Now I'm using a black marker to make this awesome drawing more attractive. Finally, it's time to color. Let's start coloring. Light blue. Pink. Red. green. Yellow. Pink. Purple. Wow, amazing! Flower with rainbow colors looks beautiful. If you had a fun drawing today, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.